guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is shopkelcys. In this video, I will be showing you guys 5 ways you could style your turbans/scarves. So let's get into this video. I've had a lot of questions on my previous videos about where I get my scarves from, and today I just decided to do a video on how I do my scarves and where I get them from. So where do I get my scarves from? So my scarves aren't actually scarves, they're just fabrics. They're fabrics that I buy online. They're African fabrics. Scarves and turbans are really expensive, so I just buy the fabrics like this, as you could see here, and I cut them into small pieces and make scarves out of it. I'm not going to cut this one in this video because I bought this for a different purpose, but as you can see here, yeah, right now this is one that I bought and I just cut them. I'll put a link in the description box on where I get my African print fabrics from, and you guys could purchase it. First on the list is this kente fabric that I got online. Kente is a traditional Ghanaian fabric, and I grew up with these, and I just love the pattern and I love the color. This is my favorite scarf. You guys are gonna see me all the time wearing it. So basically I fold the ends. Since it's not sewn, the ends could turn to be stringy, so I just fold the ends so it's not stringy. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my forehead. I have a huge forehead, so I'm gonna roast myself before y'all even get to roast me. And in the back I put one on top of the other and bring it forward, roll it a little bit. Then I go back and place one in the other hand, as you can see here, and then with my other hand I'm gonna go ahead and pull that inside and then bring it out, and then tuck whatever is left outside. And this is the first hairstyle, turban style. It's really easy, and I do this when I'm late to class, or like I don't feel like doing my hair, or like for you guys, if you have a hair appointment and you haven't gone yet, you could put a scarf. It could also be used as a form of protective styling. The second hairstyle, turban style, is this unicorn like thingy. I don't even know how to pronounce it. But basically I didn't cut this fabric because I bought it for a cultural show and not to make a turban, so I'm not going to cut it, but I just wanted the aesthetics of it to be in this video, so I'm going to go ahead and do this unicorn hairstyle with it. As you can see, you just put it on top of your head, you tuck the ends and make sure it falls on your ears, and then you're going to go ahead and roll it and then put it in like circle on top of your forehead. I don't really know how to explain this, but hopefully watching the video helps you to be able to do it. Third on the list is this like low bun, like ponytail-ish. And as you can see, I tuck the ends because I do not want it to be stringy. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on my head, put one on top of the other in the back, and then begin to roll it and twist it. I do turbans or scarves when I'm like, I wake up like really late to class and I have to go and I don't have time to do my hair. It's like a really quick hairstyle that you could do if you're going to the mall, to the grocery store, to the hair salon. You could always do these hairstyles. If you're waiting for your hairstylist to get back to you, like with this corona and everything, you could rock these hairstyles and not have your hair looking raggedy at home. So yes, turbans are quick protective styles to go. Yes, it's like a low bun, like low ponytail-ish look. And I'm gonna take, like with this same hairstyle, I'm gonna take it out and then make like you guys are gonna see, it's like a twist out. It's like the way you would twist your hair, but then it twist out, like, see right here? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and twist it and then put it on top of my forehead and then make it into a hairstyle. I don't really like this hairstyle because whenever I do it, I feel like an old lady, because I'm used to my grandmother doing this hairstyle because she does it for their women ministry at church, and I just feel like an old lady when I do it. But I just wanted you guys to see it in case I have some elderly women following me and you guys would love this hairstyle. the list is this stringy distressed look. I know I said I like to fold the ends, but in this video actually I don't fold the ends. And I just go ahead and fold like something, whatever you could get, and put it on top of your head because you want that like top high like afro look. If your hair is in an afro, you could go ahead and do this hairstyle, but if it's like cornrows like mine, you could put on top and then wrap it with. Actually, I'm just gonna have y'all watch this video because I don't know what I'm saying. Like, I don't know how to explain these stuff. But just watch it and hopefully you get it. And that is all, folks. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I do lots of skincare and natural hair videos and a lot of videos that are yet to come. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Also, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for 50,000 subscribers. Like, I never would have thought that I never would have thought that I would be able to get 50,000 subscribers, and I just appreciate you guys so much, and thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so honored, and yeah, hopefully I see you guys. I'm gonna make a separate video, but I just wanted to say it right now. Thank you guys.